Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to beef up your home defenses, Reolink security cameras are a fantastic option. But with different connectivity options like PoE, Wi-Fi, and LTE, it can be tough to choose the right one. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. Wi-Fi security cameras are a popular choice for homeowners or businesses alike, offering a range of benefits and ease of installation. They're perfect for indoor spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. For outdoor use, ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal to optimize performance. Key benefits of Wi-Fi security cameras include easy installation, flexibility in placement, remote monitoring capabilities anywhere in the world, and motion detection alerts. Now, PoE, Power over Ethernet security cameras, offer a reliable and efficient solution for both indoor and outdoor surveillance. They're ideal for offices, warehouses, retail stores, driveways, backyards, and parking lots. PoE cameras offer a clean installation with a single Ethernet cable for both power and data, reducing clutter and ensuring a stable connection. They are often capable of long-distance transmission, making it suitable for large-scale surveillance systems. While PoE cameras offer many advantages, careful planning and installation are essential to maximize their benefits. In short, you have a suitable Ethernet network infrastructure in place. Now let's talk about LTE. LTE security cameras offer unparalleled flexibility and reliability, making them ideal for remote locations, areas with poor Wi-Fi coverage, and mobile surveillance applications. They provide true wireless freedom, allowing you to access live feeds and recorded footage from anywhere with the cellular signal. LTE cameras are designed for quick and easy installation, often requiring only a SIM card and a power source. Many models are weatherproof and can even be powered by solar energy, reducing reliance on traditional power sources. It can be used for festival and event monitoring, mobile surveillance, and areas with poor Wi-Fi coverage. By leveraging cellular networks, LTE security cameras provide a reliable and versatile solution for a wide range of security and monitoring needs. So, in conclusion, the choice of connectivity for your Reolink security camera depends on your specific needs and circumstances. PoE offers reliability and high-quality video for wired installations. Wi-Fi provides convenience for indoor and outdoor use, but requires a strong Wi-Fi signal. LTE offers ultimate flexibility, especially for remote or off-grid locations. By carefully considering these factors, you can select the best connectivity option to safeguard your property. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do you have any questions about Reolink security cameras or their connectivity options? Let us know in the comment down below. And while you're doing that, consider subscribing. Until our next video, stay safe, stay secure. See you next time.